In position. I think there are some devotees here with blossoms or something. Stop pressing the button, Andrian. You're making it really slow and inconvenient for the others. Yeah, it's coming already. So many people watching. There's a dragon. There's a dragon. I'm not interested in the viewing numbers. Oh, they have their own police cars and all that.
Yeah, the own cars.
Isn't that illegal, right? Oh, just now there were some lights. Yeah, isn't it illegal? Yeah, you're going to cause it havoc. Huh? Yeah, you can sit down on this chair. Another dragon. Grandos. What? Their two eyes have lights. You see the eyes have lights. Sounds like Kung Fu Panda or Mulan, and they're all walking after it like Pied Piper. I think this is just the hidden part of it. Yeah, one of them is, some of them are carrying the okay, here comes a float. The big floats are coming up. There. You got your camera. What? Yeah, it's very bright. That one is stopped there. Yeah, it's kind of like a pasar malam on wheels. What? No, don't lean back, don't lean back. What no good? It smells very nice now. What's the smell? Oh, it's incense, right? Sandalwood, yeah, sandalwood. Wow, it's so overexposed. Okay. I think there's a very large one coming. Even needs to have its own lead car. No, it's not a tow truck, it's a lead car. Harmonious society. Michael Jackson. It looks very nice through the polarized glass. No wonder it has like 19 speakers. Sam, this is a traditional Wesak Day celebration. Okay, through the polarized filter it works. And there's a little thing with a little Buddha on top of it. It's all about Buddha. And this is the English one. Oh, Nepal, where Buddha was born. Look at how big the speaker is. Yeah. There's supposed to be 2 people sitting there, but nobody's sitting there. First aid. Hamilton. Wow. Yeah, T. Ratana Welfare Society. Yeah. And all the monks in the back of it. Oh, there's a very nice one coming up. I can see the reflection. Wow. This looks like Star Cruisers or something. Yeah, very interesting islands. This one is something. Little Buddhas on the roof of it. I think that's the end of it. Wait, let me see it. Yeah, I think that's the end of it. I think that's the end. Yeah, this is the ambulance. Yeah, the first time we saw, I think there were like almost 20 floats, right? Yeah, this is the PBSM, Red Crescent. Okay, no more already. I think this is the rest of the traffic. Okay, doke.